Hello, my name is Aiden, and this is my account with no shame, and today it seems I've lost my mind. I thought it would be fun to try and count all of the birds in TripleS's Girls Never Die music video. I've done it. I have it all set. I will show you. So first, I'm going to let you watch the whole thing, and then we're going to talk about it a bit afterwards, because there were some interesting things that actually came up while I was counting. So we'll talk about it. If I seem a little crazy, it's because I've been counting birds for 3 hours.
화장했던 이유, 필터켰던 이유, 알겠니? 이젠 알겠니? 라라라라라라라까지 가볼래? 포기는 안 할래? 라라라라라라라 쓰러져도 일어나. We go, we high, go now. 라라라라라라 Girls never die, 절대 never cry. 비켜봐봐, 비켜 핑계는 우린 본질 속에 진주가 될래. 꿈에 난 니도 좀 더 난 높일게. 고통 시련 다듬어 내가 될게. 이제 죽음 알겠어. 왜 나 힘들게 울게 만든 거지. Hold me close, I broke myself. Yeah. 라라라라라라라까지 가볼래? 포기는 안 할래? 라라라라라라라 쓰러져도 일어나. We go, we high, go now. 라라라라라라 Girls never die, 절대 never cry. 날 따라와 달라진 날 하나가 되자. 너의 꿈이 내가 되고 우리 함께 꾸는 꿈. 두려움 따위 다 함께 있다면 이제면서 울 것 없지. 다시 해볼까?
Here's a weird fact that I want to point out at the end here. So, you know, there are 24 birds at the end. Makes sense. 24 members, 24 birds. The number 24 is relevant and important to this group. But when we cut to Shinyu, and then we cut back to the birds, there are only 23 birds total, including the one that came out of the ground. So, what happened to the 24th bird? Mystery bird moment. I do think it's safe to assume that this bird is the one that Jiu found, or at least some dead bird from earlier. If you disagree with my analysis, take it up with Jaden Jung. I don't know. In this section, it was hard to differentiate between the feathers and the birds, but you know, if I wasn't sure, I said it was a bird. because I wanted to be better safe than sorry, you know? Wouldn't want to underestimate the bird population in this music video. And then for the bulk of the music video, it really just, there's only a few birds, and then there's a 4-second span where Sohyun brings the birds. 114 of the birds in this music video are from Sohyun's parts. That's so many birds. That's 80% of the birds in this music video. The rest of them, most of them come at the end. There's just a sprinkling of birds in the middle. It's information. It's certainly information. I hope this helps with the lore. If you're trying to figure something out, it's 141 birds. Might be fewer if some of them are in fact feathers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to support TripleS, and I will see you at another time in the future. Or the past, maybe.